Today on Nebraska WoodSTR, I'm doing what I'm going to be doing for a couple weeks, supervision. All right, let's do this. Hey WoodSTRs, my name is Mike. Well, as you heard, back from surgery, and we are back into supervision mode. No lifting 10 to 15 pounds for 6 weeks, so going to be a little bit different content of other people working, not me. So anyway, we're going to right here, we are out on a job here, T-minus 3 days after surgery. Got a little bit of medication in me, so I can't be driving, so I thought I'd come up, do a little bit of filming here, before work. So anyway, we're up here on a project. This is going to be a house is going to be coming in here. There was a big old walnut tree right behind me there, and an ash tree behind that old John Deere excavator. Show you here a couple other things we get to deal with today. One great big cottonwood tree and a big elm tree. But right behind there is an absolutely massive, what I would say a massive maple tree that's got about 5 or 6 limbs off of it. We are about 1.5 miles from my Woodyard, so this is going to work out just about perfect, where we can get in here and get some nice logs into the yard to deal with once we get to a point where we can actually do something. So we'll bring a little bit of this to you as we come throughout the day. Side dump loads, chainsaws. Got a great big old stump right there we're working on. Big old walnut there, Ryan. Had that damn stump when they kept going up that big. It'd been a $1,000 chunk right there. Just try and dig that hole today. Get the hole dug today.
Oh, today?
Yeah.
I got it. Time to get all this done. It'll be a while. That's a lot of but.
All right, here's a good look at this maple tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like about 7 or 8 stems coming off of that thing, but good poles if you look up. Good old silver maple. So my guess, in my supervision role, 7, I would just cut off a little bit of a piece. We've got a whole set of telephone lines running underneath there, so that stump's going to need to be ground out of there. So This one here, I would say we're gonna just cut on the edge of it and let the excavator do the main work pushing that thing down. So we'll see if they take my recommendation on that, but one limb at a time, and we'll get her down. All right, here we go.
There really wasn't anything worth saving there.
Nope.
No, just firewood.
Firewood it is. you.